something lurking in the woods here. The stone structure. Is it natural? What did we find, baby? The chimneys. Right there, huh? They look carved out. What does our sign tell us? Raccoon Mountain Formation, 315 million years ago, squeezed and buckled upward. As a result of the collision of the North American and African continents about 45 million years later. The shattered rock along the hinge of the buckle, that's the area of crumpled stone between the arrows. Oh, this stuff right here. So. Right now we're checking out a rock formation called the Chimneys. We took a picture of the sign describing what this is all about. Right now we're just going in for a closer look. It's a very unique looking ancient rock formation. And right here, according to the sign, is where the North American and African continents slammed together like 300 million years ago and squeeze these rocks together to create this formation. Ah, there it is right there. I found it, baby. This is the thing they're pointing to. Look at this. See this arch right here? That's actually where the rocks are under so much pressure they bent to form this arch, to circle like this. And that's the convergence of two continents.
Oh, okay.
That's what they're talking about on that sign. That's pretty cool, huh?
Yes.
Oh. Well, I just let you check out this chimney more. There's one chimney. You want to come check this out, baby? Here, come check this out. Come see. Let's see if we can make it to the top of this chimney.
Good.
I'm watching out for potential snakes and traps in the closet. Basically it goes like up to right here.
On the other side?
It just dips off the other side again.
Oh.
You probably could get here and do it on the very top of it and all. But we got a long hike ahead of us.
Yeah, you make it back, baby.
Down off of the chimneys, just checking out underneath. I thought maybe that was a cave or a cut through, but it's not. The dead ends. So here we go. Go ahead, climbed up to the top of that one. Now we're back onto the trail. Alright. Very cool. Clash of two continents right here. Preserved. Probably forever in this stonework. Now we're back on the main trail for the fiery Gizzard. Continuing on with what might turn out to be a 12-mile journey today. Or should I say a 12-mile adventure.
Maybe.
If we make it.
If not, back to the end.
Yeah, Sycamore Falls on that side. This is the rest of the trail over here. Yeah.
Oh, you can just make a look. Over here. What's that for up there?
Yeah.
Oh, the girls over there.
What's there already, huh?
What's that? What's that?
Okay.
What was the thing again?
Sycamore Falls. Oh, there it is.
There it is. After the road.
Yeah. Huh. There we go. Pretty. Now we can check off another one of our 600 waterfalls to visit. Yeah. This is Sycamore Falls. The cascade leading down. And here we have Sycamore Falls up close. We left Sycamore Falls and we're heading back along the creek here and along the trail. with my knee. Smash into that one rock right there. Tennessee has some beautiful streams and stuff with all the rapids, waterfalls. Looks like old concrete almost with all the gravel embedded into there. Ah. Down into the gorge, to the cliffs all around us. It's pretty down here, huh, baby?
Yeah.
All the ferns and stuff. Impressive cliff faces, huh? Huh?
I like these.
Yeah, me too. And it's peaceful here in the water flow alongside.
On the other side,
This is like a dry version of Honey Creek, huh?
yeah, a little bit.
Like where you're along a creek most of the hike. Difference with that one, though, you have to hike in the creek. And sometimes hike through waterfalls and stuff. That's fun. Dog hole trail. Huh. You can go up there. Dog hole. Oh, the rock house thing. Let's check it out.